Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your first in-depth love read for 2022. Let's see what's happening with you Virgo, what's happening with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. And of course, these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. Who's in heartbreak, Virgo? Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, put this here. Action for person A and action for person B. And just give me a second to answer the doorbell and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so from what I'm feeling here, Virgo, let me take a look at the cards. Somebody was not, 1 second. Some communication happened here, Virgo. Person A is feeling very heartbroken. Maybe they haven't been able to make a choice or a decision regarding something, or they don't know which direction to go. I have an Empress in the upright on the other side, but with the commitment card in reverse. So I think this Empress is kind of turning away from person A now. They don't believe in person A anymore. I don't know what I'm going to do, Virgo. I'm going to start. Oh my God, King of Wands in reverse. I didn't even see that. Maybe this Empress feels that their person is very selfish or attention seeking or self-centered, and I'm not going to chase them anymore. If they're not going to offer me commitment, I'm fine with it. I think this Empress is kind of taking off in a new direction, which is leaving the other person in a bit of heartbreak. They don't know what to do. So let's start with some dialogue message cards here. Spirit of Virgo and their person had to say something to each other. What would that be? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person, Spirit. Virgo and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Virgo, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Too many. One by one, please. Again, two. Okay, let's take them. They needed to come out like this. So the first card here, Virgo, says, I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Maybe spoken by this Empress, who's finally found their worth, and they're saying, hey, I was always looking at you and, to make a choice, make a decision, where are we? And you were always shutting me out. So, I realized that I didn't love myself enough to be always looking at you to love me. I didn't really believe in marriage until I met you. This could be the other person. Now that clarity has come and they're realizing what they're losing. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. Sorry for what I done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Well, you don't play with an Empress then. I have faith that we will be together again. I'm holding space for you. I think this is person A again who wants to now message. They have made that decision now, but maybe it's too late, I don't know. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. Alright, Virgo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Look deeper. Look deeper. There could be, when we break up, you don't know what the other person is going through. Maybe this is a spiritual lesson. Could be anything, but this is not just one of those things that just happen. There has to be a deeper meaning to what is going on between the two of you and you guys individually. What lesson is there to be learned in this? Whatever's happening here. So your message is look deeper. See here, the angel is sitting with a very, very calm river and feeling everything is very, straightforward and very soothing and very placid. But underwater, well, there's a lot of action happening. We all know that, right? There are fish and there are crabs and there are plant life and animal life. And so don't just judge things by, like, don't judge a book by its cover. Okay. Now let's get on with your reading, Virgo. Let's start with person A's energy. You could be either side. I would know. You would know your own stories. But I'm going to start with person A, then we'll move on to person B. So person A, why are you sitting in the Three of Swords? This card's been bothering me. It was the first card out. Oh my God. They are feeling devastated, my God. It's just not 3 Omkara Tarot. I have another 10 to show you. That's what they're telling me. Feeling really, really as if things are over and I'm hurting and I'm feeling devastated. Why is that? Why is the Two of Swords here? Okay, one more. Ah. Okay, they are very, very upset because they feel person B is the one who's shutting them out now. They feel person B is, in a very good place. They are happy without them. Maybe they have a lot of options to choose from now. And they feel I'm being pushed out now. They desperately do want things to work out between the two of you. But they do want commitment. But now they feel that the person is not interested. And that's what's giving them the heartbreak. So what happened in the recent past, person A? 9 of Wands. They were taking their time. They were being defensive maybe. One more. Somebody didn't make a choice when the time was right. Somebody took too long, maybe. They just were overly patient and saying, hey, let me build myself up. I'm, concentrating on my work, or I'm concentrating on whatever I have in my life. Maybe they didn't take action. And, the other person took it as, you're lying to me, or you're cheating, or you're delaying it for some other reason than just like that, because person A was very happy doing what they were doing. What's the Ace of Swords, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Yeah, somebody was sitting in their 9 of Cups energy. And there could have been some communication regarding it as well. I'm busy, I'm juggling. They could have had multiple things going on in their life and said, this communication could have happened to say, maybe a message or a communication or something that, I like things the way they are, and I'm in a good place. I'm pursuing my own things. I'm in no rush right now to start anything new. So then what happens, Spirit, with the Ace of Swords? Why is the Three of Swords in reverse? See, they were being emotionally manipulative. This person was only thinking about themselves. I'm sorry, person A, I think this is you. You were only thinking about yourself, about what made you happy, how you didn't want to get into a place where you would be heartbroken. Maybe you were into different choices, or maybe you had 2 options. I don't know. Maybe you were busy with work and, person B. Whatever it is, you put yourself first and you communicated that to person B. And maybe person B decided, hey, it's all right. Well, I'm all right by myself then. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A now wants to talk again. They want to message again. Yeah, they feel very foolish. They feel they made some very unwise and foolish choices in their life because A, they left person B out in the cold in the past. Now they're feeling the same way. They're feeling left out, left behind, feeling they want to get out of this hermit mode which they find themselves in, feeling why did I make such foolish mistakes in my life? I don't want to juggle anymore. I want to make that one choice now. I'm ready for it. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Now they want to talk. That's exactly what I was saying. They want to message, they want to clear the air, they do want to talk now, and they want to say, hey, sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. I mean, of course, losing an empress is... They do want to come back. Person A definitely wants to come back into that happy place of being, my soulmate, my best friend, and let's just have happy times together. They definitely want that. So, yes, they want to get out of this feeling of, am I always going to sit in this place of the regret and sorrow and guilt and shame of, having lost such a beautiful partner? They want to come out of that. That's how person A is feeling. All right, so person A, the action they're going to take to get out of this predicament, I will open later. But let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So person B, why do you feel like the Empress? Okay, so person B says, my person turned out to be a heartbreaker, promise breaker. They always treated me so badly, Omkara Tarot. It was always their way or the highway. They were making me feel I was not good enough. I tried and tried and tried many times, but I always came out being the loser. They just didn't make me feel worth it. So you know what? I started to concentrate on myself. I know my worth now. I know I'm a perfect person who can not only take care of myself but others. I'm kind, I'm generous, and I've decided to take back my power. I've decided to take care of me, and since I started doing that, well, here I am, sitting on my throne. Hierophant in reverse. Why do you feel that way? Yeah, that exactly, same thing, right? Person B says, I've put a lid on that cup of love, Omkara Tarot. Ever since I started being in self-love, I'm really not even interested whether they offer, they don't offer, whether they commit, they don't commit. I'm in such a good place for myself that I'm really not bothered. What happened then in the recent past, Empress, that you're feeling this way now? Moon in reverse. See, something came out. What came out? I'm wanting to know. There was some disappointment. Yes, there was some disappointment, maybe regarding a third party or regarding maybe person A not wanting to invest. It made person B very angry. Whatever was revealed made person B feel very upset and very angry. And maybe this was a very straightforward, dry kind of conversation which left person B feeling very stressed out, and maybe some stagnation happened in this connection after that. There was some communication which came, which could have been a little dry, clear cut, and that kind of got person B very angry first, then came the stagnation, and then came all right, so it's time for self-love. All right, so how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B says everything is stagnant. The minute I said that, I get the Knight of Pentacles, not even moving one foot in front of the other. This is like acute stagnation. Why? Because of this fight, this immature behavior, this argument, whatever happened between the two of you, person B feels things have really come to a standstill. Knight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, this person B says it started to become very toxic. They were very selfish and very stubborn. It was always their way or the highway. This person was behaving like a false emperor in my life. They were wanting to show themselves as the emperor, but I realized, well, they're actually powerless. This is not the emperor that matches an empress. Especially after this fight, I think things changed, right? So one person B is sitting as an empress in the upright, looking at their emperor as very stubborn and being a false emperor because not being in their highest vibration. All right, so what actions will you guys take? See, I have a Knight of Wands again in reverse. This is the Drama King. So what actions you guys will take towards each other? I'm going to take a separate deck for this one. And of course, I'm going to now request you to tap that like button. It just helps the videos to circulate a little more, Virgo. And it also makes me very happy to know how many of you are connecting with me. And newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That will help YouTube to send you notifications when new videos are released. Okay, so what action will you take, person A, towards person B? Stagnation, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. That's exactly what the Empress just told me on the other side. So why is that an action? I need action. Will you take any action towards... Will you take any action? No, there are too many cards. Be one by one, please. Why is Knight of Pentacles an action from your end? That is how slow this is. In their stubbornness. Give me one more. Why are you being so slow, person A? Okay, so they're in their head. They're quite stressed out. They're very stressed out. They don't know what to do at the moment because there's silence between the two of you. Maybe this Empress is not talking to them. So they really don't know how to return, maybe. Yeah, they feel they do want one more chance though. They do want one more chance, except they feel that person B is being very defensive now, being very quiet. So they're very confused as to what action to take. So meanwhile, well, they do want to come forward, but it's like really, really slow. They're still carrying a lot of baggage from the past. Just look at the stress and worry. 8 of Swords. Alright, so person B, what action will you take towards person A or otherwise? 2 of Wands in reverse. This Empress has made some decision, some choice. And what choice is that? What's the 2 of Wands in reverse? This card came. I mean, this is an upright deck, right? So you saw the way it flipped and it went upside down. So this Empress is kind of saying, I'm releasing the burden. I was carrying all this burden for so long. It was so tiring. I'm dumping it. I'm releasing all this extra baggage. So one person is still carrying and being stressed about it. The other person is making a decision to... Yes, I think person B has gotten some kind of clarity in their life. What they've realized is, I can't have a brand new beginning carrying all this weight with me. So yes, person B, who's the Empress, could be on the verge of moving on for a brand new beginning. Taking a risk and saying, I'm releasing everything from my past. Am I right? First, I'm going to give you guys one more. I don't like to leave things. Okay, so person A, one more chance to take action. Okay, what action will you take towards person B? Okay, and person B? What action will you take in your life towards person A or otherwise? Okay. Queen of Swords. This person is, but the Empress has become very strong now. They are going to guard themselves. They are very clear about their path ahead, right? They are not going to be worried about cutting out old people or dropping baggage and starting something new. This Empress seems to be totally focused on their well-being at the moment. Person A is, well, in reflection mode. They are very slow at the moment. They've curled up in their little, cave and just staying stressed and wondering what to do. This person, I don't think they're in the place to even take action. This is stagnant energy at the moment. As much as they want it, they've made that decision, they want to send a message, they don't know how to. Okay, so person A, you may feel person B has given up on you. Look deeper. They're going through their own transformation. They have been put into a little bit of a, cave to reflect on their own bad behavior, maybe. They're going through their karma. Okay, so that's all I have for you. And of course, person B, you're getting a brand new beginning. You can do what you want. Wait for person A, have a new beginning, take care of you, and you're getting blessed by the universe for all that you've done correct. Okay, that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.